This is a 2022 HeyDay WT2 surf. Low hours. Ski toe. Obviously your wakeboard rack. Speakers. Stepping into the boat. To the helm. Simrad Go 7 chart plotter. Bluetooth stereo. The surf boat, or towboat as it is, rated for 12 people. Large ski locker. Interior lighting, large bow. Plenty of room for all your friends. HeyDay's infamous hot tub seats. Ready for any water sports. Nice captain's chair. Comes with the trailer. Does have a trailering cover. Fenders and lines. Here at SkipperBud's in Madison. The 2022 HeyDay WT2 surf.